Hi everyone, here we've got a POCO X3 Pro and let me share with you how to change aspect ratio on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it, and since we are on the photo mode, it is notified right here, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it and let's take a look at this very first option bar, and it is connected to the ratio. Right now we've got 3:4 option applied because it is highlighted, you can see this yellow color around it, but we can also set 1:1, 9:16 and full. Obviously the camera shape and the camera look will also change according to the chosen ratio. So let me pick for example 1:1. So in order to change the ratio we have to tap on the option like to use, and as you can see the camera immediately changed, and right now it is, let's say, a square. Let me change it again to 9:16 for example, and as you can see the camera has been elongated. Of course the same situation will be with full option. And as you can see, the camera is actually on the full screen of this device. So obviously it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. I personally like the 3:4 the most. So actually that's all. This is how to change aspect ratio in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.